Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, planting iris bulbs. Ever dreamt of having those stunning, vibrant irises in your garden? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make that dream come true. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about these little wonders, the iris bulbs. Look at them! They might seem unassuming now, but these are the stars of our show. Irises are known for their striking flowers and come in so many beautiful colors. Plus, they're super hardy and easy to grow. Perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. All right, step one is finding the perfect spot in your garden. Irises love the sun, so pick a place that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. And guess what? They're not too picky about soil, as long as it's well drained. Waterlogged soil is a big no-no for these beauties. Next up, let's get digging. You want to plant your bulbs about 12 inches apart to give them plenty of room to grow? Dig a hole that's about 4 inches deep. Here's a tip. Plant them with the pointed end facing up and the roots spread out. This helps them settle in and start growing faster. Now, gently place your iris bulbs in the holes you've prepared. Cover them with soil, but don't pack it down too tightly. Give them a little wiggle room to grow. And remember, the top of the bulb should be just slightly below the surface. Once they're all tucked in, it's time to give them a drink. Water the bulbs well to help them settle into their new home. But be careful not to overdo it. You want the soil moist, not soggy. To keep our bulbs cozy, add a layer of mulch on top. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps those pesky weeds at bay. Plus, it gives your garden bed a nice, finished look. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've planted your iris bulbs. Now, all that's left to do is sit back and wait for the magic to happen. In a few months, you'll be rewarded with stunning blooms that will light up your garden. Can you believe these started from just those little bulbs? Gardening is truly amazing. Thank you for joining me on this planting adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about planting iris bulbs, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.